Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to get the repost button on TikTok. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you are in TikTok, head on over to the home icon or the home screen of TikTok. Again, open your TikTok application. Once you're in TikTok, look for a reel you want to repost. Now tap on the banner icon in the right corner. And then in here, tap on Repost. And then as you can see, you have now reposted. To view it, tap on your profile on the bottom right. Now tap on the repost icon, the one with the two arrows in the right corner. If it's not yet loading, head on over again to your profile by tapping on your profile on the bottom right. Then in here, tap on the repost icon. Then refresh your timeline. For now, there is a bug over at my TikTok, but once again, if we refresh, we will see that there is a reposted video already. Now, once we tap on the video, we will see our reposted video. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.